So for me, having 15, 16 years of EPC industry experience, every project start with geotechnical challenge. That's what I understand being a structural engineer. And the title of the topic when it came on screen, that interface between geotechnical and structural engineer, that itself was something very unique, and it appeared very practical, and I could not resist myself enrolling immediately. Okay. Honestly speaking, I was not knowing the SQV consultant or Bhavin or Mr. Vivek, but that topic title itself gave me a great level of confidence that yes, this is something very interesting and going to be very practical knowledge sharing. And then when I explored that it would be spread across the 6 sessions, then I realized it's not going to be very superficial. It would be definitely good knowledge sharing. So I enrolled with it, and to my expectation, definitely we have gone through a huge level of sharing. What I take from this course is I reinforce my experience and knowledge on the subject. I take views from practicing geotechnical engineers and experts, you know, presenting the topics, especially Mr. Vivek and Bhavin, and then take inputs from other participants also, which really enhance my perspective on the subject. And what I believe is that I will look into the subject with greater level of confidence, and have a better perspective. Probably my dependency on other geotechnical engineers may be little less than what it was, but at the same time I realize the importance that for this subject, involving an appropriate geotechnical engineer for taking decision is very very vital. And that is what I take, that together this challenge can always be met. And I definitely recommend this type of course, whenever we see, which gives opportunity to learn more practical insights. And I really congratulate SQV, Bhavin and Mr. Vivek for successfully executing this intention through this course. So really very well done, and I really enjoyed all these 6 sessions. I honestly waited for the weekend to join the course, that there will be something shared here, and we really learned a lot. I really enjoyed this, and I'm sure with the new connections in industry with all of you, there will be a lot of knowledge sharing across our experiences, and we will definitely have critical learnings moving ahead. And I will be looking forward to similar interesting courses in future from SQV, to see if where we can gain a little bit extra from what we have. So uh, I really congratulate SQV and all participants for these interactive sessions and knowledge sharing. Thank you.
I'm in practice for last 40, nearly 40 years in Goa doing different type of projects. I had very interesting experiences, which I wanted to, get them clarified. A lot of issues that I have done or in the pipeline. So, a lot of soil issues along with structural issues. Most of my issues have been sorted out, clarified, or building up of the confidence in the practicality, that we are on the right approach. That is what confirmed my thing with this course. Very interesting course. Bhavin, I congratulate you for this. Definitely, Vivek, you're part of the team, and we had an excellent interaction. And the best part is we at any point, and if we could just barge in with a question, and there would be some discussion, and we would come to some solution. Thank you, and hope to see you with many more. It would be a very interesting course for especially youngsters. That would really help them, especially uh, college students who are just about out or just out. It would help them a lot in boosting their confidence. We have a lot of expectations from you, Govin. Thank you.
this course. I was looking forward for it because I wanted to get back into the industry after 15 years of a big gap. I am very happy that I joined this and I got motivated with all you engineers who have been working on the field and giving me the giving understanding the on-site theory and the things going around. And so I am literally looking forward to joining back and start on my own and get back to you all with these type of questions and the problems which I can face in future. Like I was really, I liked Santosh's questions where he is facing problems and then how he is coming up with the questions, because unless I don't go out and find it, then I might not be able to understand this. So this type of course and the interaction we had on the daily basis, like things, and the answers we got was very much like perfection, and I found it very interesting. Thank you.
For me, it is very interesting, and I'm very happy to be a part of this interactive program. So, as an academician, means it is a industry interaction, academic industry interaction program, and suppose we have to give some solution. So again, it is means we have to see that. Is it actually practically it is possible, like we have seen in many cases like we can increase the reinforcement, but from practical point of view it is not feasible, like means it is a very interactive, and definitely I will get benefited, and I feel this type of program they are very beneficial to young engineers, especially only if they have only the academic say knowledge. So field knowledge, it is very important, and definitely it also helpful to me because we are also involved in some consultant work. So definitely it will be helpful to me. So thank you very much, and I congratulate all the Vivek sir and Bhavin sir to organize such program.
Yes, sir. As I joined this course because I don't have any industrial experience, like what all things we are doing in the industry, like mainly in the preparation of soil investigation report, such things like this much details, what all things we have to include, and especially that geology aspects and all it is, like such things we were not aware. In theory, we are just learning what main points only, what things to be included in a report, but here we got like each and everything, what all things you include in a report we got. So that's a very good, it was very much helpful. So I think in my future also I would like to be a consultant, so that this this learning process will help me in my future, and I hope all the support from you people. Thank you.
Like to say that as I am a fresh engineer and as I have graduated this year, so this course really helped me a lot. And what I would say that as a fresh engineer, and usually what I used to feel was I used to feel very not very weak or very I would feel little scared about the geotechnical part. As a structural part, I would be, as designing the structural part, I would be very much confident. But as a geotechnical part, I would be very much little scared about it. And since I got various interactions with various professional engineers, so what I would like to tell is that in future it will be very helpful for me to move forward.